Today we're going on an amazing snake adventure. Let's discover snakes from around the world. Let's learn together. Wow, it's so colorful. A rainbow snake? It's a rainbow boa. Ha! Wow, such beautiful colors. A rainbow snake? It's a coral snake.
Is it another python?
It's a rat snake. Yay! Is that a plant? It's a vine snake. Oh! Wow! What's that? Is it a cobra? It's a king cobra. What a colorful snake!
A rainbow snake?
It's a corn snake. Why is its nose so funny? A tiny dragon? It's a hognose snake. Wow, it's huge. Is it the biggest snake? It's a Burmese python. Yay! Look over there. Is it dangerous? Is it dangerous? It's a black mamba. Who's wearing colorful stripes? A rainbow snake? It's a milk snake. Who's sleeping there? A green python? It's an emerald tree boa. Who's that? A python? It's a Boa Constrictor. Something swimming. A crocodile? It's an anaconda. What's making that noise? It's a rattlesnake. What is that funny nose?
A water dragon?
It's a tentacled snake. Wow! What's that? A sleeping snake? It's a ball python. Wow! Who's hiding there? A vine? It's a green tree python. Yeah! What a funny face!
A dragon snake?
It's an eyelash viper. Did it fly? It's a flying snake. Yeah! Who's that? Another python? It's a reticulated python. Who is that? A giant garden snake? It's an eastern indigo snake. Yay! Who's that? A little tree snake? It's a bush viper. Who's that? A little garden snake? It's a garter snake. What is that funny nose?
A water dragon?
It's a tentacled snake. Wow! Why is its nose so funny? A tiny dragon? We found so many amazing snakes. Can we remember them all? Great job, everyone! Fantastic job learning amazing snakes today. Which snake was your favorite? See you on our next adventure.